standing outside the Wildwood Heritage Glen 270FKS 2023.
Some nice updates.
Talk about the first thing you notice that somebody has
pets.
to thank for the pets, and Heritage Glen has done that.
Campers for dog people, it says.
Yeah.
But it makes sense under the awning, right?
There's so many times you see this out in front of the awning, almost like they're like, well, we don't want your pets to take up awning space. Well, the pets need shade, so it's very nice. That's right there in the middle of this, so you keep your pets nice and cool.
Well, look, check that out. The wheels.
The wheels are wider apart. Normally 24 inches apart. They're now 42 inches apart, which means it's more stable. The axles are 42 inches apart. So love that. They're thinking about your stable ride as you drive down the street. If we come to the back here, a little storage. We won't stand out here very long because it's very bright and very hot. Storage through here and through the back, so you can get to whatever you need. Whatever you have underneath there. I say we get right inside though, Tim.
Let's do it.
Oh, there it is. I knew I saw a kitchen, real quick, a little bit of a kitchen up here. I knew there was one. You've got a griddle. You got your outdoor refrigerator with a hose there. Somebody's tea. I won't drink that because I don't know who's been drinking it. But there's a hose there. So you got everything you need for an outdoor kitchen.
David,
love it.
Checking this out.
Let's take a look.
This is sharp.
This is nice.
They got rid of the carpet. I noticed first thing walking in.
Yeah, so it's back to that woven material.
That's nice, where you can just wash it.
Yep. What about this down here? How cool is that?
It's just like a mirror decoration. What is it?
That's actually the fireplace.
Oh, so once you turn that on, you can see it.
Yeah.
The flames.
The flames will come through, but when it's turned off, it's like a mirror reflection. That's pretty sweet. Can we?
It's not turned on right now.
But... That's cool. I dig that. Furrion sound bar, which means it's going to be nice because Furrion is top notch, and then you got a big old TV right there across from these very comfortable recliners. Very comfortable. I haven't sat down. That's not right. Satin down.
I haven't sat down.
I haven't sat down all day. You get to light up cup holders. Ding, ding. Just tap that a couple times. And I can see it. Man.
Lit up. That gray color is sharp, isn't it? That you're on?
Yeah, I'm very comfortable. I'm going to do the rest of the walkthrough from here. I love the dinette set. I love the colors.
You can move it around any way you want.
And then the chairs that aren't fastened down. I dig it. You'll notice underneath there are hooks under there so you can fasten these things down for travel so they don't go flying all over the place.
That's a good idea.
Check
out this window.
I do guess I have to stand up.
David, so they use that new front painted cap, so it gives a lot of space up here. Nice window.
Yeah. I really dig this. I'm telling you, the graphics on like the wallpaper, for lack of a better word, is if I'm standing right here and that looks like a woven material, and it's not. It's not.
Which is nice because you can wash it.
Yeah.
Could you imagine if that was
trying to get that cleaned up? Lots of counter space up here. A whole lot of counter space and cabinet space. Cabinet space above, down below here, behind Tim. I believe there's a small. There you go for your pans. Oh, that's cool. I was say for your pan. You can slide pans in the bottom part and then seasonings at the top. 3-burner stove top plus the smaller oven, and then a microwave above. Furrion. Again, all good stuff because it's Furrion. There's a refrigerator. I just feel like some of these, you can tell they got like power on, but they're not running the AC, so it feels good to kind of stick your face in the air conditioner.
They're all wired for solar, which is nice, of course.
Oh my gosh, it feels good. All right, so let's take a look up front here.
Little pantry here?
Yeah, well, that's right. There's a pantry
closet.
They opened up. It looks like you can open up the. You can have a shelf there if you want it.
Yeah, you can slide it up.
Oh, that's smart.
Nice.
That's good. That's good. Good engineering. So if you walk back here, you got 2 ways into the bathroom. Right there through the hallway or through the bedroom here. You got your corner shower. That's a good size corner shower too. So. Without even being open. It's a decent sized corner shower. Sink, medicine cabinet, storage here and below. You look at this, you're like, that's kind of narrow. That's fine. You roll up your towels and slide them in there a couple deep. You get lots of towels in this space. Toilet paper holder.
Look at
And
the
then,
comforter. It actually comes with a decent comforter.
It looks nice.
Yeah, I would actually keep this one.
Yeah, some of them you get, and you're like, you can tell they just
The gold from 1990.
They got a bulk supply of ugly comforters. This one's nice.
Everything back here.
Outlets on both sides of the bed. I thought it says for CPAP. I thought it said for crap and device charging. Yeah, wow. Stackable washer dryer over here.
Space.
And then you can close it all up. Close this way.
That's the nicest looking set of barn doors, I think.
It does look really nice. Again, that looks like it's material, but it's like wallpaper. Slide this open. Lots of space back in here. Whole lot of space. Probably wondering what that's for. Why is that there? It's because there's storage, outside storage underneath that. Place for your TV here. More storage here at the end. Place to, like I said, this is charging on both sides of the bed. It's there. There you go. The Heritage Glen. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Great new look.
Yeah, absolutely. Let me start that again. Get hold of us if you'd like to learn more or hear more or get pricing on a Heritage Glen.